It was only released in Japan, which is why it won't work on my American TVs.
What?
I've heard something about turning the channel to 95, but none of my TVs...
Wait a minute, what the? How many channels they have? They had an 82 different channel? 待って、チャンネル82個もあるんだけど。Wait, they had 82 channels? What? How many TV they had? What? What the heck? Only like 5 works? Then why they had a flippin' 85 different channels if only 5 of them works? That doesn't make sense, だよ. What? Why? Why だよ?
TVs go any higher than 82.
No one
Apparently,
knows.
it has 6 games, and 2 players would have to grapple for the controls. Nintendo had an updated version with 15 games and detachable
困るだけだ
controls.
よ.